Hello, what is up mga moms sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila. And today we are going to unbox and review the Evangelion X YOLO Park action figures. Thank you very much YOLO Park for sending these three super cool 20cm model kits AMK series na Evangelion Prototype 000. Ito naman si Evangelion Test Type 01 and we have 02. So again, 000102. Maraming salamat ulit YOLO Park for always sending your products to Ralph Cifra Toy Customs to for my unboxing and review and customization. So i-repaint natin to very soon, kaya standby sa ating YouTube channel. Okay, first yung box art, super cool box art. Actually finlaten ko na to save some space. They are using best of both worlds ng meron silang box art design on the front and meron din silang window type packaging. So yung plastic dito, yun na yung mismong clamshell nila. Hindi na sila nag-add ng additional plastic to accommodate the window type packaging. So maganda lang dito sa window type packaging, makikita mo na agad yung appearance ng actual na action figure. Okay? So meron din siyang tatlong manuals, different manuals for one manual for each type 00, 01 and 02. So dito muna tayo mag-start sa 01. Ito yung unang-una natin i-review, then we will proceed with 00 and 02. Okay, overall appearance ng mga mech design na to ay very slim in profile. Very high shoulder armors, very distinct head design, tsaka yung very muscular din yung kanilang mech design. Okay, let's start with yung color palette nito ni 01 ay purple and green with meron din siyang mga weapons. Each of the armor has one gun and two progressive knives. So yun yung tawag. And then almost similar yung tatlo, pero ang major difference niya, unang-una yung color palette. Ayan, color palette. Ayan, yung color palette ng 00, yellow, black, white, and gray. Si 01 ay purple, green, and black. And then si 02, red, white, black, and accents din ng yellow. Okay, so yun yung major difference. At saka yung head nila, tsaka chest design, and yung shoulder armor, yun din yung mga design differences nila. So start natin dito sa Evangelion Test Type 01. Okay, zoom in tayo para makita natin yung face details. Dito meron siyang horn, para siyang single Oni horn. Tapos sa cheeks meron siyang green parts. Sa chin, you have the metallic area here. Tapos sa chest, meron siyang silver na chest armor with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. 6 red dots. Sa kanyang neck, meron siyang yellowish orange na armor design. And then dito sa kanyang stomach, we have purple, green, purple alternate na color armor plates. Dito naman sa shoulder or sa arms, dito naman sa shoulders, meron siyang parang rectangular piece dito. Mataas siya para ang ganda ng design kasi ni-research ko din sa Evangelion fandom na ito palang part na to kumukuha siya ng mga nagbabasa siya ng mga frequencies. Yan, para siyang naghahanap ng ping. Yan, para siyang sensor, okay? Para dun sa attack na gagawin niya. Okay, this one yung arms, very slim arm design, grabe. Yan, be very careful lang kasi kung ganito siya ka-slim baka fragile din siya. Pero dito naman sa build nila, okay din naman. Medyo sturdy naman yung mga plastic na ginamit. And tinitingnan ko din yung plastic quality. Sharp din naman yung sculpt niya. Hindi siya super glossy. And yung ibang parts nito, naglagay na ako ng cement para hindi siya matanggal. Katulad nitong part na to. Yung sa horn, pati dito sa kanyang arm gauntlets. And then look at the arm, you have the green section here. Ito, in-equip na natin yung progressive knife niya. And the legs are very long. very elongated legs, some parang arching yung kanyang design dito, and then you have the back. Look at the backbone design here. Tapos meron din siyang rifle type gun. Sa knees, you have the knee armor here, so black, yellow. Tapos parang humanoid din yung shape ng kanyang legs, very muscular. And then dito yung ankle protectors niya, or yung feet protectors niya, kulay green. Tapos sa ilalim, yung sole ng kanyang feet armor yellow orange. Okay, yun yung appearance ni 01. Dito naman sa 00, very similar lang in armor design, except itong shape na to, yung kanyang armor, shoulder armor pala. Yan, ito. Tapos yung head niya, meron siyang dome dito sa taas. So you have the green and yellow dome. Tapos dito sa harap, meron siyang red na dot. Tapos itong kanyang type of inner armor or inner skin ay brown. Tapos yun nga, yung difference pala nito, yung chest armor nito mas angular compared dito. Ito mas simple, ito mas complicated in design. Okay, so mas edge, meron siyang edge dito, or tama, nagmi-meet dito sa isang edge to the center yung kanyang chest armor. Pati dito kay EVA 02, mas similar silang dalawa. Okay. In terms of design, yun na yung yun lang yung difference niya. So ito yung 00. Ang height pala nito 8.20 cm. So convert natin siya into inches. Kapag kasama yung shoulder armor, around 8.5 inches tall. Laki din. Matangkad din to. Yan. Tapos dito naman proceed tayo kay Evangelion Test Type 02. Everything is similar except itong head sculpt niya. Look at the head sculpt. Very, very cool. You have the half moon shaped here sa top of the forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4 green dots. Extended chin. White band all around the head. Tapos sa shoulders, meron siyang orange or yellow-orange na shoulder. You have the red part here. Blue, green, black. Tapos white arms with black arm detail. Tapos yung gauntlets niya color red. Look at the hand design here, very cool. So meron siyang 4 na stripes na may arrow na pababa. Tapos itong line papunta sa kanyang index finger, meron din red dot. In terms of leg design, halos pareho lang. This one is a matte finish. Matte finish lahat nung armors. Walang gloss except itong kanyang chin. Yan, chin and yung chest armor design. Yun lang yung pinaka gloss dito kasi metallic siya. Pero everything else is, actually ito rin pala metallic din to. Everything else is matte. Paint application is nice, well done. Sculpt, well done. Very sharp. Very sharp yung sculpt. Ingat lang kayo kasi may mga sharp edges din siya. In terms of articulation, pare-pareho lang siya. Kaya ito na lang i-articulate ko. Ito na lang si 01. So, head, rotation, 360, up and down, that far. This one can rotate independently. So, pwede nyo i-rotate yan. Nasa ball joint naman siya, up and down. Arms can move outward, downward, and 360 degrees. No problem. Bicep swivel, meron. Okay. Tapos, double jointed elbow. Tapos, ab crunch. Very nice ab crunch. Up and down. Itong kanyang paa can move down. Merong mechanism to pull it down. And then kick. Look at that. Kick. Grabe. Tapos, bend yung kanyang knees. Double jointed. Ingat lang kayo kasi yung tunog parang nakakatakot. Parang siyang brittle plastic. Pero parang mahigpit lang kasi yung joint. Kaya ganun yung tunog. Pero, wala naman ako nakikitang stress marks. Usually pag nagkaroon kasi ng stress marks, magkakaroon ng white doon sa plastic itself. So wala naman ako nakikitang ganoon. So I think it's safe na i-articulate siya ng yan, kahit meron tunog na parang squeaky sound. Okay? Pull it out, pull it up. Ayan, para maibalik in original place. And then, yung kanyang paa, move up and down. Tapos, itong kanyang protector, nasa ball joint. Okay? So, yun yung articulation ng mga Evangelion na figures natin. Super cool. Ang daming poses na magagawa kung ganun yung yung articulation ng bawat armor design. Actually, yung build nito is very straightforward. Hindi siya yung traditional model kits na binubuo from the runners itself. Hindi na kailangan ng cutters or nippers or hobby knife para magawa yung model kits. So these are pre-assembled model kits or action figures na ididikit-dikit na lang or i-assemble na lang yung mga pieces like yung head, armor, shoulder armor, chest. Yan. So dinikit ko na yung mga chest niyan para wala na matatanggal, stable na lahat. Tapos everything is glued into place. Yung mga pieces na madaling matanggal, ginlo ko na rin, naglagay na din ako ng Tamiya cement. At tapos meron din siyang accessories, ang daming accessories. We have 6 alt hands per model. Tapos 2 knives per model and 1 gun. And then itong part na to, pwedeng maging lalagyan ng kanyang accessories kasi meron siyang hanger. Itong ilalim, pwede nyong gawing accessory container. Okay? And then itong hanger type nila, teka zoom out ko lang. Yan, itong hanger nila, pwedeng gawing charging station kung nawala na sila ng energy. Yan, pwede rito. O kaya pang launch pad. I think launch pad ito. Yan, pwede nyo attach yan dito sa likod. Iba-iba yung pegs ng bawat armor. So kung ito double two peg holes, dito siya. Specific siya kay 01. Okay? Yung isa naman specific din kay 00 and yung isa naman kay 02. So tatlo sila na merong hanger type or launch pads. Pwede nyong i-insert itong i-align yung shoulder armor for additional support. And yan, kung gusto nyo naka-stand sila dito, pwede rin for additional display purposes. Maganda itong mga base nila. Kung tabi-tabi silang tatlo, very cool. Kung dynamic poses din, very cool din siyang tingnan. So that's it mga ma'am sir. Thank you very much YOLO Park for sending these action figures for unboxing, review, and customization. Iko-custom natin to soon, kaya stay tuned lang sa ating YouTube channel. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Ang mga next nating review, Shurato, Acid Rain, we have AMK Pro na Optimus Prime The Last Night. Kaya stay tuned lang sa ating channel. Maraming salamat YOLO Park. Thank you very much. These Evangelion units are way too cool. Kaya mag-pre-order na kayo sa YOLO Park na Shopee page. 1,600 to 1,800. Yun yung price niya. Pero sa height and sa kanyang appearance, saka super enjoy naman siyang laruin at i-post. Para sa akin, sulit na to mga ma'am sir. 1,600 plus pesos only. Okay? So that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!